Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an interior upgrade. I've been wanting to do this since I got the car, even though I haven't been driving the car. Just every time that I come in here, I look at this hub and I do not like it. It is so thick, it is so bulgy, and it just sticks out way too much and I don't like it. I've been meaning to upgrade and I finally have a new hub. Viilante came out with these short hubs and I'm so excited to put it on, and I really want to get this on today because tomorrow I'm going to be driving the 240 for the first time on the actual streets. I'm finally going to go get this thing smogged and then registered. I know I've been putting it off for a really long time, but starting tomorrow this thing is on go mode. So I'm excited, and obviously now that's going to be registered, I want to drive it out more. So first thing that needs to go is this hub because I just don't like it. We're blessed here today with the Viilante hub. They just came out with these recently and I'm so excited to put it on. So I'm going to be giving you guys a little unboxing and just a comparison and a quick install. I know it's not going from like stock to aftermarket, but it'll still be the same principle, I guess. So yeah, here's a little before of this hub that is on it. I don't like it, and I'm gonna put on the steering wheel right now and you're gonna see how uncomfortable it looks, and it's just, I don't know, I don't like, and yeah, I don't know. So let me show you. I'm gonna put the steering wheel on and it's just not comfortable. It's like I can't even move. To do a turn, I'm gonna be like this. Like this needs to be shortened by this much. The wheel should be over here, and even if I go a little back, it's just, I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like the position of it. I don't like the feeling of it. I do have a Viilante steering wheel that I might be putting on, so yeah, this one's just like old. It was the previous owner, so they obviously use it a lot and it's just like beat up a little. So yeah, I'm not a fan. I don't love, but we're gonna be fixing that today, finally. So here is the hub. You could already see how much smaller this is compared to the other one. The other one's like this big and this one's boom, short hub for the win. If you do have a 240Sx, this is the one you are looking for if you're ordering from Viilante. There's no airbag in here, so I don't have to worry about that. And yeah, this one seemed like it fit, just was kind of weird. I was a little weird about it. No, don't tell me it's gonna be stuck on there. Okay, this thing sucks. Things are on there. I'm just weak. Couldn't do it with the Allen key, so I brought my trusty dandy handy impact. After this, if I have, I think I do, I saw it. Use one of these bits and then put the extension on and then just start going ham on it, and if that doesn't work, then I don't know what will. Okay, so I just put the size. Let's see if this works. Okay, that one. I'm just weak sauce. You guys get a little behind the scenes of how I film my TikToks as well, or try to film my TikToks. Got them all out so I don't lose them. I'm always dropping everything. This bolt should be 19 millimeters. Yep, 19 millimeters. Please ignore my phone if it's distracting. Okay. What the hell? I think it's just stuck, so I'm gonna just try to pull it out. Now I'm gonna put the steering wheel on and try to like, I don't know, I'm back hours later. I took a break, I got food, I chilled. I was getting frustrated. This thing was not budging. I couldn't do it myself at all. This in and like going in from the sides and like up, and the ridges were just not coming off, and it was really stuck. And I just thought it was because I'm weak, but I had my dad try and it wasn't coming off. So I was gonna go to Harbor Freight to get like the wheel pulley taker offer thing. Just really lazy to go, so I just went on YouTube and I started watching people taking off like stubborn steering wheels off, and there was this guy literally like a 30-second video I think, and it helped. I saw all the comments, everyone was like, oh, this helped, thank you. So I was like, we need to try that. It did. It took more than just one try, but basically if your steering wheel is not coming off, this one has probably been on here for who knows how long. Body tossing side to side, I felt like this whole column area was gonna break, but it didn't, thankfully. But it did end up coming off like after 3 wiggles like to the side. But I don't know, it doesn't make sense because when I was doing it too to the sides, like it just wasn't coming off. But I think with enough force, like literally breaking it in every single direction, like forward and to the sides, it did the trick. So yeah, it did come off. The ring of the hub is so bent now and just destroyed from how much we were tugging at it. Even put some WD-40 on it, and I think it did help a little bit. So that was not fun. That was not a nightmare. You want to make sure the Viilante is facing up and that you're not moving this anyway. Yeah, we're just gonna connect that, and I already tried out the horn button and it does not work. I don't even think the car has a horn button. I try to look and I don't see it, so I'm just gonna connect the wires just to leave it there in case I change my mind in the future or get it fixed or something. I probably am gonna get a new quick release. I'm just gonna put this one on for now, but these are like, this one's like a little bit crusty, so okay. So now I'm going to attach my steering wheel to the quick release and we should be done. We should have a whole little, this already looks so much better. Oh, it's freaking sideways. Yep, the wheels are moved. That just means I have to take off all the screws again and move it. I forgot that this doesn't need to be facing up because when you swirl it around, it goes straight. So you need to move it at an angle. Ugh, that's so annoying. But you get the gist of it. I'm gonna fix it right now. So obviously you guys already saw the steering wheel. This is, why do I always drop something? Back to what I was saying is, this is Viilante's Dream Color steering wheel and the Naruto horn button. So yeah, I'm just gonna be running this for now until my steering wheels are out, and I'm gonna be putting that on both of my cars. So yeah, but this one's really nice. It's all black, so won't get as dirty as my pink one that I have. And I'm just gonna give them one more squeeze so that no malfunctions happen. Now I'm all ready to go tomorrow and feel better, feel more comfortable driving tomorrow to the smog shop. It's not that far away, but tomorrow I'm just gonna have someone behind me, someone in front of me, because I'm going with no bumper or headlights or tail lights. But the brake light does work, just nothing else works, and the reverse lights work as well. So those two, I just have to fix that. Slowly but surely this build will come along. I know a lot of people have been asking me, they're like, where's the 240 content? It's literally been a couple months since I got this car, and it was just kind of on standby for a bit, but we're back. It's mainly just fixing like little things now that need to get repaired, and get it up to par. And once I get it running for a while, make sure everything is running well and swell, I finally do the manual swap, because it's literally been chilling since I bought the car. I bought the car and right after I got the manual transmission, so it's just been chilling in here with me and the 240, waiting for it to go on. But I don't want to put it on if something's gonna mess up or something's not gonna work out, so I want to run the actual car on the streets, but I need to get it smogged first, need to get it registered first in order to go on the streets. So yeah, but in the meantime that I'm doing that, I'm gonna be trying to fix the front, but I'm gonna do a whole video on that. So make sure you stay tuned and you're subscribed so you can see the whole journey of this car. I'm excited to continue this build. It literally does not stick out as much. Let me go a little more forward. Oh, I'm going back. I'm not entirely sure what size the steering wheel is. I don't think it's as deep as the one I have in the FRS. The whole setup I have in that car is even deeper than this, which I don't really like. This is so much better than before. Like, I feel so much more comfortable already, and I really like it. Obviously, a Viilante steering wheel can never go wrong. They're so good. I'm excited to drive it tomorrow. I'm kind of scared that it's gonna leave me, but so let me know what you guys think, and yeah. So this is where I'm going to be ending this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys are subscribed to keep up with the 240 content or the FRS content or just any other vlogs that I may post. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.